Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, and in this video we will be talking about static websites versus dynamic websites. So first of all, let's see what are static websites. These are websites that are same for every user that visits on that web page. So let's say I will go on my browser and type let's say computer, okay, and I will open the link of Wikipedia, this one, okay. Now, if I open this link and if you open this link, all the time this will look the same, exactly same for everybody in this world. So this is a static website, which is same for everybody in this world. And let's talk about dynamic websites. So dynamic websites are the websites which are different for everybody. So these are websites that are based on the user data. So let's say I open google.com. So if I'm signed in, it will show here my logo, and it will show my, if I go to Gmail, it will show my mail and not yours. Okay. So in Gmail, I will get my mail. So that is a dynamic because it is different for every user. Every user who visits gmail.com will get a different like mails and all. Okay. So this is dynamic websites. So I hope you all were able to understand what are static websites as well as what are dynamic websites. Thank you.